What's up, everybody? It's your boy Walking Mandu. Welcome back to Wrenchtrenchers Garage. And today, well, I'm going to be cleaning the engine bay on the Z. Now, the first thing I did is took a vacuum cleaner to it, and then the blowgun and all kinds of other stuff to clean it up, just to get all the loose things off of it. But now I'm going to go after the real nasty stuff. And it peels off in your hands, things like that. So I'm going to grab some Goo Gone. I'm going to grab a couple of rags, some disinfectant, stuff like that, and I'm going to try to get this engine bay looking as clean as I can, because as you know, the Ohanokingz car show that I've been invited to is now 2 days away. Have been at work a lot. It's going to be tough getting everything done that I'd like to get done, but I'm not going to stress about it too much. I'm just going to get done what I can, and then I'm going to take the car there, because it's not supposed to be a show car. This is a driver. It's actually something I built to sell. I just wanted it to look good before I did it. I had no idea that I was gonna be going to a car show. But that all aside, I'm not gonna make any excuses. All I'm gonna do is try to do the best I can with what I got. So for right now, I'm gonna try to clean this up the best I can. First, I'm gonna start by taking out the battery, and then I'm going to go ahead and start getting all the rough stuff out of there. And anything like rust or anything like that I find, well, I got something for that too. So what I happen to have is this little, it's kind of, I guess it's like a die grinder, but it's a little electric one. It's not very strong, however, it's what I got, and I think this will clean up some of the smaller stuff, some of the things that, you know, some of the hard to reach stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and try using this to kind of get some of the, you know, rougher stuff off of there, and we'll see how it comes out. So I'm gonna give myself about, maybe a couple hours just to mess with this, and you guys are gonna go on the time lapse. Not for the couple hours, because I'll probably be cutting it up, but I'm gonna give you guys an insight on what I'm doing, so stick around. Alright guys, I just want to show you that yeah, this is way better. Way better. It ain't perfect, it ain't gonna be perfect, but look at that. That stuff has cleaned all of that. Now I'm probably gonna do a little bit more here, just maybe get down in there with the brush. But look how good that looks. And then when you do that and then you compare it to what it was, look at the comparison. I've already sprayed it down, so it's starting to kind of melt away a little bit. But look at how it was there. And then look at how it is here. Big, huge difference. I'm loving it. Like that. I'm really digging this. So yeah, that's what it was. And that's what it is. So yeah, much better. I think that looks really, really good. So I'm just going to keep going. I'm going to do the other side, and then I'm going to try to get as much as I can on that back wall back there. You know, and then I'm going to clean up all this plastic stuff and all that. But we're on our way. You know, I'm really, really excited about how this is actually turning out. Now, behind the battery, it's not perfect. That's kind of like, that's some rust, I think. It actually just needs painting in there, but I'm not going that far with it. So that's just gonna have to be where it is, and the battery's going in there. You're not gonna see it. I just want all that to look good, which it does. So right now I got no complaints about this thing. I think it's gonna look great. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the other side. Well, I'm gonna finish the front, move on to the other side, and then we'll go ahead and see what's next. So I'll be back. Well, this is pretty much my finished product right now. I didn't have as much time as I thought I had, so I completely kind of ran out of time. But the shiny stuff that you see on there is it's a gunk. It's called gunk, and it's an engine protectant, and it puts the shine on there. Now, I do hope that when I go help Gramu tomorrow, that I have a little bit of time left over to paint this, and that would just probably set this whole thing off. But man, it is a night and day difference from all the crud that was on there. Look at the back. It was a pain in the butt getting all that, but I got it. And look at this. It actually looks way better than it did. I can't help some of these little chips and stuff because this stuff is just hard to find. But anyhow, I'm pretty happy with these results. So the next thing I'm gonna do, yes, I'm back to like kind of wobble vision, and I do apologize, but I gotta show you. So the next thing I'm gonna do is, there's no need to time lapse this. Basically just put the clips in the holes, screw them down, and that's it. I was thinking of actually vacuuming the interior, but I'm running out of time. I'm extremely tired. I gotta work tonight, so yep, that is pretty much the case. So guys, I'm going to hang it up right here for this video. I'm going to go ahead and put my little rocker panel covers in, and I'm going to end it. So I'll see you guys when I get to Teggy G's house tomorrow. Hey, what's up guys? I'm over here at Teggy G's house, and as you can see, we have the Integra all nice and shined up. We also did the engine bay, but we'll show you that later on. But we got a nice deep gloss shine on there. Just to show you, here's my engine bay, still looking pretty good a day later. So nothing really to do in there. And then we got kids playing. So yeah, kids playing. Anyway, what we got now is, as you can see, underneath my dash is all torn apart because I had a really bad water leak from this condensation box right here. Somehow the hose either got clogged or hydro locked or something. Here's the hose right. I don't know if I can show you that. Give me a second. So I can throw the light right in there. But you can see that hose hanging right there, right here. That hose hanging right here. That's where it goes into the condensation box. Right up there. It plugs right into there. And then all the condensation from the AC goes outside of the car. Well, what I was doing was I was getting a big leak in here because it wasn't properly draining. But once I undid it and plugged it back up, it drained. I guess there was some debris in there. It seems fine now, so I'm going to hook it back up. Give the interior a quick wash. I'm going to put the mats in here. And we should be ready for our show tomorrow. So, cool.